easy to access and felt just like home. We had a great time, plus the balcony was nice in the hot weather and was close to some nice restaurants.
The Wi-Fi is terrible. Most of the time, we stayed 6 nights, all of us, 6 people, were using our smartphones to share the Wi-Fi to our laptop.
Too many beds in rooms, not even a bottle opener, microwave not appear to WRK, fridge did not work, only 2 towels supplied.
The rates is high as a 4-star hotel except it / is equipped with amenities and a full kitchen.
Location just within 100 meters from my venue Excel Exhibition Center.
No reminder email a few days before with check-in procedure.